Hi everyone, it's Miss Caparina. Today we're going to do Math Module 1, Lesson 10. If you go to engagenewyork.org, click Pre-Kindergarten Mathematics, then click Module 1, then click Topic C, then click Lesson 10. You'll be able to find the whole lesson there. Or you can watch the video and do it with me at home. On Tuesday, we did something similar to this. It was a little smaller on the paper on Tuesday, so I just made a bigger version of it. And we counted the dots on the bottom of the page. So we're going to start again with the left column, that's this one over here. And we're going to count the dots inside the box. Inside this box, there's one dot. So I'm going to use a marker, and I'm going to draw the number 1 and the dot underneath the dot. So I know that this column is 1. 1 is easy peasy to draw. It's just a straight line down. Number 1. In the middle column, there is not 1 dot, but there's 2 dots. So, and this is our number 2 column. So I'm going to draw a number 2 underneath the dots, so I know that this is the 2 column. That's the number 2. And the last column, or the column on the right, has 1, 2, 3 dots. So I'm going to draw number 3 underneath the dots, so I know that this is the 3 column. If you can't remember what the numbers look like, just count the dots again so we know which one it is. This one's the 1 column, this one's the 2 column, and this one's the 3 column. So we're going to use pictures that can also be found on that Engage New York website. And we're going to count the animals in the pictures and put them in the right column. So if the picture has 3 animals, we'll put it in the number 3 column. If the picture has 2 animals, we'll put it in the number 2 column. And if the picture has 1 animal, then we'll put it in the number 1 column. Sometimes it's cows, sometimes it's horses, chickens, pigs. These are all farm animals, animals that you can find on the farm. So let's start with this picture. Here are some pigs. Let's count together how many pigs are in the picture. 1, 2, 3. 1 pig is big. The other pigs are small. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 pigs in this picture. So I'm going to use my glue stick. I'm going to put a little glue on the back. And I'm going to put it in the number 3 column, which is right here. If I forget what number 3 looks like, I could just use the dots. 1, 2, 3. 3 pigs on the number 3 column. Next, let's do some goats. Here are some goats. 1 has spots. 1 does not have spots. Let's count how many goats there are. 1, 2. There are 2 goats. I'm going to put this on the number 2 column on the chart. I'm going to use a little bit of glue. Not too much. We don't want a lot of glue. And I'm going to put it right in the middle at number 2. If you don't remember what the number 2 looks like, make sure you use the dots. 1, 2. 2 dots. Here, this animal is a chicken. How many chickens are in this picture? 1. 1 chicken. So I'm going to put this in the number 1 column. Not too much glue, because you don't need that much. It sticks with it only a little bit. So far we have 1 chicken, 2 goats, and 3 pigs. Let's see what else we have. I'm going to move the camera a little bit closer. I feel like it's too far away. There we go. That's better. All right. Now we have this animal. This animal is a cow. Let's count how many cows there are. 1, 2, 3. 3 cows. And they all are exactly the same. They look exactly the same. 3 cows. So I'm going to put some glue. If you can't remember what number 3 looks like, make sure you count the dots. 1, 2, 3. 3 cows, 3 pigs. Let's see what's next. These animals are ducks. They're little ducks in a pond. They're swimming in the pond. Let's count how many ducks there are. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 ducks. 3 ducks in the pond. So I'm going to put some glue, and I'm going to put it on my number 3 column. All right. Here my pictures are getting a little bit smaller, so I'm going to get a little closer. Here are more chickens. One is a rooster or a boy chicken. The other is a hen or a girl chicken. Let's count how many chickens there are. 1, 2. 2 chickens. One is a boy, one is a girl. A rooster and a hen. So I'm going to put it in the number 2 column. There are 2 chickens. Oh, look at these animals. These are horses. There are 1, 2 horses. One is white and one is black. 2 horses. So I'm going to put it on my number 2. Don't forget, if you forget what number 2 looks like, you can use the dots to help you. 1, 2. This animal is called a donkey. This is a donkey. How many donkeys in this picture? 1. There's 1 donkey. So I'm going to put it under the number 1. Remember, number 1 is easy peasy, just a line down. If you forget that this is the number 1, you could use the dot. 1 dot, 1 donkey. And our last picture is another pig. We saw pigs before. There were 3 pigs before. Now there's only 1 pig, and it's the big one. The little ones were in this picture. Now this is only the big pig. There's 1, so I'm going to put it on the number 1. So our chart is finished. We have 1 chicken, 1 donkey, and 1 pig. We have 2 horses, 2 chickens, and 2 goats. We have 3 ducks, 3 cows, and 3 pigs. If you would like to, you could print these pictures out from that EngageNewYork.org website, or you can make yourself a chart just like this, and you can use your counting cubes. So you can put 1 yellow counting cube, 2 red counting cubes, and 3 blue counting cubes. Or you could use any color you'd like. You could use other things. You could use crayons. You could use coins or pennies. You could use Cheerios, anything you'd like to use in the chart. Have fun. Bye.